Consider this scenario. You receive an email from a CCAC staff member indicating that the attached file contains personal health information of 92 patients. What do you do? When a privacy or security event or breach occurs, follow these 6 steps. Step 1. Report the event or breach. In this scenario, you are not authorized to handle PHI for your work. Do not open the attachment and report the event to your manager immediately, and also notify the OACCAC Chief Privacy Officer. Step 2. Containment. Ensure that the PHI isn't accessible to anyone else who isn't supposed to handle it. The OACCAC privacy team advises you to do the following. Forward the email to the OACCAC Chief Privacy Officer. Contact the sender right away to let them know that you are not authorized to handle PHI. The sender can attempt a recall if there are other recipients. Delete the message from your inbox, deleted items folder, and cell phone mailbox. Submit an SMA to purge the email from servers and mailboxes. Step 3. Notification. The OACCAC Chief Privacy Officer contacts the CCAC Privacy Officer to inform him or her of the event. Good thing you didn't open the attachment, otherwise the patient's privacy could have been breached. As the health information custodian, the CCAC would need to notify each of the 92 affected patients in the event of a breach. Step 4. Investigation and assessment. Working with the CCAC Privacy Officer, the OACCAC Privacy team worked to understand the circumstances that led to this close call. What happened? When and why did it happen? Who was involved? If PHI was involved, how was it treated? Was it sent unsecurely? Was it inappropriately accessed? Was there a breakdown in process, or is there a knowledge and training gap that needs to be addressed? Step 5. Documentation. Based on the investigation, the OACCAC privacy team writes a report to document the privacy event and related actions. They may interview you for additional details. Once approved by the Chief Privacy Officer, this report is submitted as an SMA for documentation purposes. Step 6. Remediation and prevention. The OACCAC privacy team also works with the involved parties to ensure steps are in place to prevent a similar event or breach from occurring again. The CCAC privacy officer sends out a bulletin to staff with reminders on appropriate practice when sending PHI. Some tips may include only sharing PHI when it is absolutely necessary and only with authorized individuals. Enclosing the PHI in a password-protected and encrypted file. And sharing the password over the phone with the recipient and not including it in the email. Protect yourself and the organization by reporting immediately when you encounter a privacy or security event or breach.